So a lot of our patients who come to ClearChoice, they're looking for a different solution. They've been, I call it, on a hamster wheel, just running and running and not getting anywhere with trying to solve their issues. So they're tired, they don't feel listened to, and they want something different, a new solution, something that's going to take care of not just teeth and not just being able to eat comfortably, but they want it to look good. They want to feel healthy. And that's what we're doing differently instead of just regular dentistry that unfortunately has an expiration date. It has a limit. At a certain point, we're going to run out of teeth and we're going to run out of tooth structure to be able to continuously do the same things over and over again. And at that point in time, we need to be able to provide our patients with this kind of solution, something that a means to an end for them.